Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Yes, good evening. How are you today?
Hello. I'm good.
Oh, you are not celebrating a Tet holiday?
I'm good.
No?
Okay. In next week. No. Um. mm, um.
Thursday.
2 days.
Thursday?
Yeah.
So you cannot attend a class.
Yes.
So you inform me Thursday, where will you go? To the grandfather?
Okay. Yes.
Oh, so this coming Thursday we don't have a class.
Okay.
Oh, are you sure?
I don't know.
Okay. If you are not sure, just chat me in the Zalo, okay?
Okay.
I will wait also. Okay, so just inform me earlier if you want have a vacation, okay? And then we will have arrange the makeup class if you are okay. Okay? So what
Okay.
did you do tonight? Today because start with the tit holiday. Are you busy?
No. I'm only at home.
What? You are?
Only at home.
Oh, reading books.
Yeah.
Okay, what is the title of your books?
Mm, comic. Oh.
Oh, so comics. You like comics.
Yeah.
Who watching your favorite anime? Anime, I mean.
Um.
You're not
mm,
watching TV today?
yeah. But then there are no. And then new chapter episode.
Um, oh, that in your country, do you have already the next episode of Spy Family?
No.
You have already the new episode?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
So it is already end, right?
Yeah.
Did you finish watching it?
Now I'm too busy.
You're busy. Okay. So let's discuss in our lesson. So last meeting we discussed about speaking, right? So this
Uh,
time, okay, so we will move to another lesson. So we will have a unit 4A, and that is our planet. Okay, so I have a question before we start. How many planets you know that you are familiar? Can you tell me the planets?
planet?
Yeah.
In solar system?
What?
In the solar system?
Yes. In solar
Uh,
system.
I think it
How
is
many planets do you know?
8.
Okay, so what are those planets? Can you please chat me?
Uh, Mercury?
Mercury.
I don't know.
Hmm?
Wait. Mercury? Mars?
What?
Mars?
Mars. Yes, Mercury, Mars.
Earth?
What?
Um, Earth? Venus?
Orbit?
Earth?
Earth. Oh, sorry. Earth.
Venus?
Venus. Yes.
Um, No. Saturn.
Saturn, yes, very good.
Wait.
Start with letter J.
Jupiter.
Yes. How about start with letter U?
Neptune and what is? I don't know.
What?
Neptune.
Oh, then start for letter N. That is Neptune. How about letter U?
Uranus.
Yes, that's a very good. So, what planet that the people live? There is a planet that only the people, animals, and any species can live on it. But most of the people can
Earth.
Earth. Yes, that's very good. So the other planet, okay, we have many planets, right? But the other planet is under observation because the other planet is only such the people cannot live because of the temperature, right? The people cannot survive. Me also, there are some planet also, there are the decay of the before the dinosaurs, right? You know that story. But as of now, the scientists, the astronauts still what is that, experimenting about what planet can the people live other like the earth. But as of now, only the earth, right? There also a story that there is one scientist try to go, or astronaut try to go to the Mars,
Okay.
but they are only floating, right? They live just only an hours. They can live there,
Okay.
but they are floating, right? So
Yeah.
unlike the Earth, that you can do whatever you want. Okay. Oh,
Okay.
I forget. There is a planet that was already vanished. Start with letter P. There's a planet with letter P. You remember? What planet is that?
P?
Yeah, start with letter P. There is a planet. There
What?
is a
I
small
don't know.
planet. Start with letter P.
I don't know.
You forgot?
Yeah.
That is Pluto.
What's Pluto?
There is a planet called Pluto. But as of now, there's no planet already. Okay. Just look at.
Okay.
Okay. I will share my screen to you. There is okay. Hmm, Planet. Okay. So I'll share. Here, just look at.
Okay.
Can you see it?
Yes.
Oh, here. Oh, oh, here. So we have Earth. Okay, so I will let me share to you about the Pluto. So this is already the eighth planet that you know, right?
Yeah.
Yes. But here, as you can see here, so that you will know also. Wow. Look, can you see it? There is a Pluto.
Okay.
So we have 9 planets, right? Okay, our solar system is made up of a star, right? The sun, the 8 planets. But
Okay.
yes, this is asteroids. Okay, so the 8 planets are Mercury.
Okay.
Okay, so Pluto is a dwarf planet. But the Pluto now is not belong already. So that is already the 8th planet. But there is a Pluto before, right? But they call that
Okay.
a dwarf planet. So, okay, let's move on. Let's start with our lesson. Okay, so just remember this vocabulary first. Okay, so do the weather quiz. Then check your answer. Number 1. What shape is a raindrop before it starts falling? What do you think? Before it starts falling.
Okay.
Okay, can you please answer 1 to 8?
One. Hmm. Hmm.
Number 5.
I don't know. Hmm. Hmm. I don't know.
Just try.
We
Don't worry
check
if
it.
you just try if you don't worry if you get a mistake. Just try your answer, okay? Just choose only the letter. It is not difficult to choose the letter, okay? Just try only. 5, 6, 7,
Okay.
8.
Hmm. What is this?
Hail. You can search in the Google.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, what shape is raindrop before it starts falling? So here, that is just like a small circle, right? So after that, what happened? That is already the teardrops. Okay, what makes the sounds of thunder? Yes, that's a very good. That is lightning. The impact of the light. Okay, you see lightning and then hear thunder 6 seconds later. How far away in the storm? Wow, that's very good. You got it. The second, the 2 kilometers, right? You only get foggy weather when, yes, the air
Yes.
is cold. Do you like a foggy weather? That is
What?
foggy weather dangerous?
No.
When you drive a car, is foggy weather dangerous? What do you think?
Uh, um, hmm, no.
Okay, so just listen carefully.
I think it's very dangerous.
Eh, yes,
We
excuse me.
cannot see
Foggy weather.
anything.
Yes, foggy weather is sometimes dangerous. Why? Because it depends also the area, right? Because the foggy weather, as you can see, it is very blurred. Okay, so you cannot see clearly, right? So when you drive a car or any motorcycle, and then it is a foggy weather, all you have to do is to drive slowly. Why? Because you cannot see that sometimes there are cars in front of you, right? Because it is very foggy, so you cannot see clearly. If there are bus or something, car, motorcycle, or anything, right? So if that is a foggy weather, you must drive safely because that is very dangerous. So if you go or travel in that weather, so take time also. Okay, you only get hail when. Okay, do you know what is the meaning of hail? That is a windy.
Hail? Yes.
Yes, that is a windy. So that is a storm clouds. If there is a very strong wind here in our country, if there are already very strong wind, it is already a storm. right?
Yeah.
There's no just like only wind because the storm brings the rain, the wind, and the thunder, right? So the hill that is already the storm clouds. In what direction does an east
Mm,
wind blow? So toward the west.
mm,
Where is the west? You know already
okay.
what is the west and the east, right? What is the maximum time a snowflake?
I think it's 1 hour.
Yeah, 1 hour, yes. We don't have a snowflake here, but 1 hour only. So we are facing a rainbow. The sun is always, yes, that's behind you. So there is a rainbow after the rain, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So complete the table with the highlighted words from the quiz in task 1. What do you notice about the way the objectives are formed? Okay, so let's move on. Okay, let's try to answer. Okay, so the noun is okay. I will proceed it number 1 and number 2. Noun cloud, adjective cloudy, verb. Okay, we have rain clouds, storm clouds. That is a fog, foggy. Right? Okay, can you do it? Okay. Okay, so you read the answer. So let's move on to number 6. Just try. The rain.
Okay.
Flash of lighting. The noun is lighting.
Mm,
Number 6. Okay, let's answer this. That you will be familiar also. Okay, just look at fog. Okay, please remember the noun of cloud. The noun is cloud. The adjective is foggy, right? Okay, the hail still the verb, right? The noun is lightning, the flash of lightning that is related. That is not an adjective and also the verb. The rain, noun, rainy, adjective, verb rain. So snow, you know already the snow. The storm, stormy, sand, sunny, thunder, thundery. Wind and windy. I know you know it already. So let's move on to our vocabulary. Go. What is that first?
foggy.
Cloud and fog. Frost. Okay, we have first vocabulary. What is that? Cloud, the fog, the frost. Okay, can you please read that again? Cloud,
Cloud.
fog,
Frost.
frost. Okay, here. What is that? Read it.
Lightning. What?
Can you see the vocabulary?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Here.
Only read.
Yeah, only read. Hail, ice, lightning.
Raindrop, cloud, thunder, storm, rain, lightning. Okay. Rain.
Oh,
Hell.
no, there is
It's only
not.
that.
What happened to the slide? Okay, just wait. We already have vocabulary. What happened? Can you see it already?
Hell, ice, lightning.
What is that?
Lightning.
Mist already. Rain.
Yeah. Rain. Shower.
Shower.
Snow. Storm. Sun. Thunder. Wind.
Okay, believe you asked 3. So what is the weather like today in your area?
It's very good.
Oh, really good. What is usually like in December in your area, this in your country? December, what kind of weather is that? It is cold in December. In December, what happened? It is already cold
Oh yeah, very
or
cold.
it's windy?
It's so cold.
Okay, what is usually like in August?
It is very good.
Okay, so do you prefer rainy, snowy, or icy weather? Which do you like? Rainy, snowy, or icy?
No, I cannot see ice.
How about rainy?
Oh no.
Okay. So here, lesson to 5 weather reports. Match the 3 of them with the photos.
Oh,
Still cannot play. Oh, cannot play. What happened? So let's read this. Recycle. A few, a little, not much, many, a lot of. Please read letter A.
we also feel not many or a lot of with plural countable nouns. Of example, a few thunderstorms. A little, not much, or a lot of with uncountable nouns. For example, a little snow.
Yes. So now here again. Okay. Okay, let's move on that transcript so that we can answer. Okay, read number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go.
Okay. It's winter and there's a lot of ice everywhere. On cars, on trees, on house. And it is only something it in some place. In a strange way. It's beautiful to look at. But I see roads at the neighbors, and there are many homes in the area without electricity. We're expecting a little snow this afternoon.
So it's minus 10 degrees Celsius and there's a lot of ice everywhere on cars and trees and houses. So do you have an ice in your country? Just like this? Have you experienced?
Yeah,
Okay, the ice is 10 centimeter thick in some places. Did you experience that? Okay, in a strange way, it's beautiful to look at, but icy roads are dangerous for drivers and pedestrians. There are many homes in area without electricity. We are expecting a little snow this afternoon. So, how many times
okay.
you experience in your country about the snow in a year?
Uh, no, in Sapa.
December.
No, in Sapa.
Okay. So, how many days if you have a snow weather?
No one. Sapa.
Mm.
Very
So,
many
okay.
snow.
So, did you enjoy it? Or it is very, very cold?
Very, very cold.
Okay, so let's move on number 2.
Okay.
Read it, number 2.
There is some snow on the ground already. It's impossible to see more than a few meters ahead. The engine ended up when the wind is blowing snow into my face. It's difficult just to open my eye. Very cold. It's very windy and this autumn is very glad to be going inside now.
Okay, just continue number 3.
Okay. It's
Just,
early in the morning after 6 o'clock. There's a little frost on the ground, grass after the cold night, but it's sunny and temperature are starting to rise. So it won't be frosty and for long. There aren't many clouds in the sky, so I don't think any rain down the way. But of course, conditions can change quickly.
Okay, number 5.
The president of the town is another cold, gray winter day. Temperatures are around zero, but because of the icy wind, feel like -5. There's a lot of snow in people's gardens, but the ground roads are clear now. However, there's a little ice on the pavement, so pedestrians have to be careful. It isn't snowing at the moment, but there's more snow is
Okay, so there is some snow on the ground and already it's impossible to see more than a few meters ahead. There isn't any fog, but the wind is blowing the snow into my face. It's difficult just to open my eyes. It's very cold, it's very windy, and this reporter is very glad to going inside now. So there are many different adventure or experiences with the reporter when it comes to snowy weather, right? Most especially if the country is not um always have a snow weather, unlike the other country that it is already freezing the snow. Okay, so that is why the people there are already what is that? Okay, when there is a snow weather, unlike the other sometimes they are not prepared when it comes to the snow weather. It is very, very, very cold, right? So it's early in the morning, just after 6 o'clock. There's a lot of frost on the grass after a cold night, but it's sunny and temperatures are starting to rise, so it won't be frosty for long. There aren't many clouds in the sky, so I don't think any rain is on the way, but of course, condition can change quickly. So as we all know, okay, even if today is a sunny day, as you can see, the sun is smiling at you, right? But just remember, the weather is not permanent. Okay, maybe in the minutes, in the second, in an hour, okay, the weather will be changed. The sunny day becomes to the rainy day. The rainy day becomes to the stormy day. So that is why we cannot predict the weather every day. So weather is always change. So that is why condition can change quickly, even in minutes only, right? For residents of this town, it's another cold, gray winter day, temperature around zero, but because of the icy wind, it feels like -5. There's a lot of snow in people's gardens, but the roads are clear now. However, there's a little ice in the pavements, so pedestrians have to be careful. It isn't snowing at the moment, but they say more snow is on the way. So if that is a snowy weather, okay, not all the time it is a snowy weather, right? So, okay, example, today is the snowy weather, so tomorrow will be the sunny weather, right? But not all the ice was